Hi, my name is Alwyn Madison,
I'm Braden Godley,
And I'm Walker Jackson.
and we are Team Gauntlet hailing from Kennedale High School.
and this is our presentation for the Multi-Tool Badge Holder Contest. First, let's look at our mission. Our mission is to create a product that carries the tools necessary for success so that it may be accessed easily and efficiently, as well as protecting users from RFID information leaks with a sleek and elegant design users will want to wear.
Here's our overview.
Next is our acceptance criteria. The requirements for our product is that it is no larger than those parameters, it's less than 60 grams, it's able to go through TSA, it includes an aluminum backing, it allows the ID to be fully visible, and most importantly, it provides utility to the wearer.
Acceptance criteria: the Gauntlet. The Gauntlet holds and protects your ID card. It has 3 interchangeable tool slots, a QR code, aluminum backing that doubles as a tool, and is very lightweight. It is approximately 42 grams.
Next is our acceptance criteria for the tools. No set of tools could ever fit the needs of every user, so instead we decided to create a fully customizable slide-based system that allows a user to choose whatever tools they may want on any given day. Some examples of the tools we've already created: the utility cutter, the number 2 screwdriver, the 10mm and 8mm wrench.
Now let's look at the QR code. When conceptualizing the QR code idea, we had one thing in mind: socializing. We know it can be difficult for people to get in contact with each other when they simply don't have the time to exchange information. This QR code tackles the problem head on. The idea of the QR code is that the wearer of the ID will link information like LinkedIn, Facebook, email, and etc. to a QR code that anyone they allow can scan for immediate contact.
Identifying design issues. Some of the problems we're currently facing is that we're using a non-sturdy material for our product. There's a small QR code location that makes it slightly difficult to scan, and the concept of a badge holder that is capable of holding multiple tools on such a small space can be very challenging.
Item discrepancy review. To sum these 2 slides up, we have 2 questions. The first is, how do we create a product designed to fit the needs of multiple people in the most simplest way possible? And how do we mitigate this project with our broken 3D printer?
Here are some changes since our last review. Our website has received an update that includes a new bio, a description page, and files of the brochures in our trifold. We have interchangeable tools. Our QR code has received a few updates, and we now have our own logo. Our top 3 project risks are: first, the technical complexity. We need to find out a way to keep our slides from falling out and becoming a structural failure. Number 2, the resource and production constraints. Previously, our team had a 3D printer in our possession. While only being able to print small parts and pieces, we were dependent on it for production. And 3, scope creep. The scope creep was a large moral dampener and caused heavy stress among the team.
Lessons learned: dependency, documentation, and determination.
In our conclusion, the Gauntlet is a product made to fit the acceptance criteria provided by NASA Hunch alongside that of our field research. It is sleek and elegant and is completely customizable to fit the need or restriction of any job criteria or personal preference. As we continue, the further 10% is projected to include further customization options and locking slides.
Thank you!
Thank you.